Waste management in the home is something that you would like to think wouldn't be an issue, but due to a combination of self-indulgent behaviour, human tendency to rationalize such behaviour, and a general lack of care factor for the bigger issue, we're still facing a myriad of issues revolving around proper recycling and waste management in the home. We believe we have found a solution to the problem of waste management and recycling in the home. We are committed to informing the world and in turn empowering the world to get behind this movement and start taking responsibility for their own waste. Our solution to the wicked problem of managing waste in the home is to re-educate people and to try and inspire them to be creative with their waste. Our solution starts from the ground up by targeting a relatively young audience aimed at the 20 to 30 age group. We start our solution with a digital and physical version of a newsletter aimed at making education of an increasingly global problem a little bit fun and a little bit creative. Providing people with a handy, practical and useful way to approach a piece of waste they may usually throw away and re-educate them into making something useful and giving their discarded item a new creative and resourceful life. The online and physical versions will have their own uses, as the online publication can be with you everywhere, and we would encourage people to share it with their friends and hopefully spread the education in a fun way. We have chosen the solution of creative education because we feel that for a massive problem such as managing waste in the home, there is more than one solution. A problem of this size, as with most wicked problems, requires a lot of ideas, a lot of time, and a lot of money, and most of all, a lot of willpower. We all want to help. We see the big problems on the news and internet, and in reality, we can help. By educating people and relating to them in a fun and practical way takes the boring part away from preaching the old message of recycling. By putting your hand up and saying, I want to do something to help is something anyone can do. But by providing fun education and making it accessible, we can inspire people to throw out less and be creative. It only takes making a few things and thinking outside the square, and people will start to think about the other things they are throwing out and how it can be reused or repurposed in the home.